In the first episode of this TV documentation on the NEC's role in Assam, we focused on healthcare sector, air connectivity of Assam and the region besides Guwahati Airport and ISBT.
In this part, we shall focus on the bridges of River Brahmaputra and interstate roads besides NEC's recent intervention in human resource development and livelihood missions. For long, the bridge near Guwahati over River Brahmaputra, which we fondly call the Horaighat Bridge, remained the sole bridge between north and south bank of Brahmaputra as the mighty river bisects the entire Brahmaputra valley from Hodia to Dhuburi. NEC found that this sole bridge over River Brahmaputra near Guwahati, which was opened in 1962, has made the entire north bank vulnerable as there are no alternate routes between the two banks except for the historical Horaighat Bridge. With the region close to a volatile international border, this called for more bridges over the river for external security reasons as well. Once again, it was the NEC who took the responsibility to change the landscape with the idea of the second bridge over River Brahmaputra at central Assam, linking Tejpur and Koliabor through the Kolia-Bhomura Bridge. The construction started in 1981 and in 1987 the bridge was inaugurated, throwing open the entire North Bank and Arunachal Pradesh to the rest of Assam, cutting short the distance and travel time by hours. But most importantly, the country's defense got an alternative route to keep the supply line smoothly operational from the south bank of the Brahmaputra to their base all along the Chinese border.
And in the journey of carrying on connectivity to the whole of the northeast, the first landmark came in the form of the construction of the Saraighat Bridge in 1963, the first rail-cum-road bridge on the river Brahmaputra. This was followed by construction of the Kolia-Bhomura Bridge, which was a road bridge and which was completed in the year 1987. And finally, in the year 1998, the Naranarayan Setu, another rail-cum-road bridge, was completed near Goalpara. In all these projects, Railway has received the support of the North Eastern Council. We have worked closely with the North Eastern Council, NEC, for fulfilling our dreams, our objectives.
By the time the Kolia-Bhomura Bridge was underway, the planners of NEC had set sight on the western side of Assam, pushing for the third bridge over River Brahmaputra at Jogigopa, promising to open up the entire Garo Hills as well as Goalpara district. Finally, in 1998, the much-awaited Jogigopa Pancharatna Bridge was inaugurated by the then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, connecting Pancharatna of Goalpara and Jogigopa of Bongaigaon district, and in the process changed the entire economy of Garo Hills and Goalpara. Besides that, over the years, NEC has funded number of roads in Assam, mostly connecting the neighboring states. Here are some of them which have been completed in the recent years. Let's begin with the Mankachar Mahendraganj Road in Assam. This is the 11th five-year plan road project. This is an interstate road between Assam and Meghalaya. The length of the road is 8.20 kilometers and it was sanctioned in February 2010 at an estimated cost of rupees 1,212 lakhs, out of which NEC's share was 1,090.80 lakhs. The project was fully completed within the stipulated time. Then we have the crucial Moirang-Ranigodon-Azra road in Assam. This is the 11th five-year plan road project. This is an interstate road between Assam and Meghalaya. This road has given an alternative route to Guwahati Airport from Meghalaya. The length of the road is 18.92 kilometers. Besides that, there are many other such road stretches. Let's begin with Silchar Dwarband Gaglachara Road. This is the 10th 5-year plan project. This is an interstate road between Assam and Mizoram. In Assam, the length of the road is 75 kilometers with 21 bridges. Moreover, there is the ambitious Joai Nartiang Khanduli Baithalangshu road project with a length of 59.55 kilometers and 9 bridges at a total cost of 71 crores. The project is ongoing. Once completed, the Joai Baithalangshu